Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mossbeau. If you are new, you are most welcome. I posted a picture on my Instagram and it has to do with this look. I don't know if you can see it well, and people really like this, and you guys really showed so much love on this picture. I didn't know this picture was going to, like, you know, turn you guys on. So I thought of just recreating this look. So if you want to see what I do, if you want to see how I get it, let's just get right into this. So please don't forget to subscribe as usual. Don't forget to, you know, click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my updates. Let's just go. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, I've already prepped my face, I've already used my primer. So what I'm going to do now is like this look is very simple, guys. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to be using my foundation, and I'm going to be using katvon. This is a sample, by the way. By the way, if you guys have not started going for samples, you guys better start going. So I'm going to be using this katvon, and this one is in medium 165. Is in medium. Actually, I have the medium. I have the deep 171, but I thought it was too dark, so I went ahead to get the sample for this one. This is a little lighter than that one. Let me do the swatches so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the medium, deep medium. I don't know if you can see it well. This is the medium 165. I'm going to show you the deep 171. So this is the deep 171. As you can see, like, this is a bit darker than this one. So, and swatching it on my face, can you see? I don't know if you can see, it's actually darker. So I was thinking maybe I've got a little lighter. I'm sure you guys know I really love this katvon. Like, this katvon for me is so I feel this is my actual color, at least as of now. So we are just going to do the foundation. And guys, with this kind of samples, trust me, you can use the sample like 3 times, honestly. Now that we have our foundation on, I'm going to just go over with my concealer to just brighten my under eye. I feel this brightening of under eye is very necessary because you know, we ladies, we always have these eye bags and all of that, so you just really want something that will, you know, help cover the bags and all of that. I just sprayed a little Fix Plus on my beauty blender, and I'm going to be blending. We are going to contour. Today I'm going to be using like this dark one right here to just contour, and I'm just going to use it to warm my fingers. You know, it's just going to be a soft contour. And quickly, I'm going to be using my banana powder. While this is baking, we'll just move over to the eyes. And I'm going to just use my eyeshadow base. This is the P.LOuise primer. in mossbeau. So we're gonna be using that as our base. Trust me, this is a very simple eye look. Very simple. You want to take any flesh tone eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this. And this is my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. And you're just going to add that all over your lid. Like, you're going to be using a fluffy brush and just apply that all over your lid. And when you get to the up part, you just blend it out. Like, you're practically using one eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be winging my liner with my ingot gel liner. And you want to be very careful with this. I might not be doing a lot of talking because like this is gel liner. You really want it to be very, you know, precise and neat.
Nobody can really replace you. Girl, I like the way you are. Yeah, just in case you don't believe the love I have for you and what they said the trap would be not try me. Yeah, she won't hustle cause I'm always on the road. But I kiss him on such enough I believe in your love cause you make me cry. So don't look me cry. Yeah, me find the side cause I need the opinion now and how beautiful you are. Maybe I say me no. Oh, you got me mesmerized. Oh, baby, this your waist. Oh, you got me hypnotized.
So I'm gonna be going over with my mascara. I always want to use a mascara so that your eyelashes will have a base to sit on. I'm just going to be using these gorgeous eyelashes. So let me just take all of this off and we just go right into the lips. Let me teach you a trick. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using the MAC Gold Deposit. If you want to use your highlighter, for me, sometimes when I want to use my highlight, it just gives that powdery thing. I don't know. So I always like to just sprinkle my makeup spray, like a setting spray. Just sprinkle it on it. So it helps you like secure the powder and it just goes directly on your brush. I'm just going to apply it to your T-zone. And you see? It's like glass. See the glow. It's glowing. We are glowing. So for my lip liner, I'm going to be going in with the chestnut lip pencil. Like this liner is a must-have, guys. For you nude lovers, this particular pencil is a must-have. And I'm going to be going in with the MAC Creme Sheen Sweet and Sour lipstick. This is what it looks like. It looks like peach. And for that girly effect, I'm going to be going in with the MAC lip gloss in clear water. And this is like the mini size. So if you can't splurge on the big size, obviously you can just do this one. Very cheap. So I'm going to be putting it just on my liner. You know. I'm just going to be patting. Right. Can you see? And that brings me to the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. My skin is looking like glass. I'm really feeling myself on the monitor, guys. See? Like. And please don't forget to follow me on all my other social media handles. I love you and I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye and stay beautiful.